incredible turnout here at the Enterprise Center. We're going to have about 1,400 volunteers from all across the community coming together to do good. We're turning a day of tragedy into a day of service and remembering all those lives lost by giving hope to so many people across the bi-state. This is actually our 5th year, and this is going to be our biggest year. Our goal today is to pack and prepare 375,000 meals that are all going to come back to the St. Louis Area Foodbank that we're then going to distribute across our network of partners across the 26 counties that we serve. There is a high level of energy. So we've got the Cardinals, we've got the Blues, we've got businesses from all over the bi-state region. We had Louis here a few minutes ago. People are fired up. Our DJ's doing a great job. People are dancing, people are singing because they know what they're doing matters. This is gonna have a huge impact. So it's Hunger Action Month in September. So we're challenging everyone across the bi-state to do something to help people who are food insecure. So people can go to our website, stlfoodbank.org. If they're not here today, they can do something another day of the month, right? Hunger doesn't take a holiday. They can volunteer, they can donate, or they can host their own food drive.
So today is obviously 9/11, and it's been 23 years since that horrific tragedy that changed our country forever. And so we are here with hundreds of volunteers and St. Louis Area Foodbank packing meals or non-perishable meals for our community. We are packing bags of rice and lentils, and one bag feeds 6 people. So, think about the magnitude of hundreds of people packing bags and how many meals that equals for our community. It's hundreds of thousands. There are tons of companies here today. Stifel, they have about 200 volunteers. One of their subsidiaries was in the Twin Towers on 9/11, and so that's why this is a big event for them. But Pfizer and other companies around the St. Louis region are helping today. This is one of many events that we support. Volunteering is in our blood, and we find things to do around the city because this isn't just, us being in an office and working all day. We get out in a community and see what needs to be done. It's organizations like St. Louis Area Foodbank that make sure that we take care of our most vulnerable.
This is actually my 3rd. So, I've known about it for quite a while, and I know that it comes up every year now annually, which is a good thing. So we have a lot of people that have come here, and on behalf of the St. Louis Area Food Bank, we really appreciate all the work that all the other volunteers are doing here. It's overwhelming, really, when you think about it, all the people that coordinate this and bring this together. And it's a good thing for the whole community, and the end result is we bring a lot of dignity to families in need. It's kind of that old saying, you're only as good as your weakest link, and everybody's got something to do in order to fulfill putting meals together in each of those individual boxes. And the people meet a lot of new people. Some of them are from companies, they work for the same company, and they've never met one another at these companies. And I think that's neat that you get to meet other colleagues and find out more about them. And then you've got other tables where you've got a mixture of companies that are together. Our table's been running around the table every time they fill a box, so they'll be tired just from running around the table after every box. But yeah, they're having a blast. Some are dancing, high-fiving, but yeah, it's great.
You are awesome!
It's a good annual event. Probably should happen more than it does, but this is a great start, really. We also have outreach that takes food on the move, that goes to different areas in St. Louis. And we have other sites that are satellite sites that we have volunteers that work at as well. So come to that website, St. Louis Area Food Bank or Feeding America St. Louis, and you'll find all kinds of options there to assist.
Hunger can affect anyone, but anyone can affect hunger. Find a way to make a difference. Bring your friends, bring your family, bring your coworkers, and let's do this, St. Louis.